When it comes to building multi-agent AI systems, three major tools stand out: CrewAI, AutoGen, and LangGraph. Each one of these frameworks offers a different approach to creating intelligent agents that can collaborate, solve problems, and manage tasks. But which one is the best for your use case? Let's break them down in detail. So, starting with CrewAI, this framework focuses on a role-based system that mimics how humans work together in teams. You define agents with specific roles like researcher, planner, or developer, and CrewAI handles the delegation and collaboration. It's highly declarative, meaning it's easy to set up with minimal code. You can define tasks, assign roles, and system figures out the workflow. If you're looking to quickly prototype or build a multi-agent system without getting into the weeds of complex logic, CrewAI is a fantastic choice. It's especially popular among developers who want clarity and structure in their AI pipelines without too much customization. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, so AutoGen, developed by Microsoft. AutoGen is more flexible and low level framework compared to CrewAI. It allows developers to define agents that communicate through a chat interface, and it shines when you want fine-grained control over how agents interact. AutoGen is ideal for scenarios where your agents need to perform interactive reasoning, complex tool use, nested conversations. However, this power comes with a bit more setup complexity. It's more programmatic than CrewAI, which means you'll need to write more custom Python code. But if you want total control over your multi-agent logic and integration with advanced tools and APIs, AutoGen is a strong contender. Finally, we have LangGraph, which is a new extension of the LangChain ecosystem. LangGraph introduces a graph-based architecture for building stateful LLM applications. Instead of writing linear chains or hard-coded loops, you define agents and their relationships as nodes and edges in a graph. This makes it extremely powerful for complex workflows like recursive problem solving, conditional logic, or long-term memory usage. LangGraph supports execution, persistent state, and is built with a reliability in mind. It's the most technically advanced of the three, and while it has a steeper learning curve, it's ideal for enterprise grade or research level applications where you want full control over execution, flow, and state transitions. So, which one of these three should you pick or choose? If you want to plug and play team of AI agents that collaborate out of the box, CrewAI is your best starting point. Now, if you want to create custom intelligent conversations between agents with flexible behavior, AutoGen is your go-to. And now, if you're looking to build a highly structured, state-aware, scalable AI system, LangGraph is unmatched. In summary, all three tools are incredibly powerful, but the best one depends on your needs pretty much. For simplicity and speed, CrewAI. For control and complexity, you'll go for AutoGen, and for structure and scalability, LangGraph.